Hello everyone, welcome back to DIGI3. So today's topic will be how to make any song as your ringtone on iPhone. So let's get started. First you have to download this application called GarageBand because it's very useful to make a ringtone. So download it and open that app, and after that you can see that there is an option called create song. Click on that. After clicking, click on audio recorder. Once you open this, you can see a layout sign over left side corner, the third button. You have to click on that and the recorder will be turned on, and then you have to click on this sign over right side corner before setting, and after that you can select songs, or if you have downloaded or paid any music you can get it from here, or go to files and I'll browse items from files app. Like I had downloaded this song right now, so it appears here, and I'll click that and take it to the recorder. Drag that ringtone for at least 20 to 25 seconds, and then after that you have to click on this arrow button here. Click on my song and it will be saved. So if you want to rename it and save it, and then tap on that folder for a second, and you can see that there is an option called share. Click on that button, and there are three options: make your project, make your song, or make it as a ringtone. So click on ringtone and click on export. So after exporting this, you can go to settings and go to sounds and haptics, and in ringtone section you can see that there are three songs which you have made by your own, and you can select one